Here I have GIONEE S6 Pro, and let me show you how to perform here the hard reset operation that device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Find and select here the settings. From the following list, let's scroll down and choose here advanced settings. Right now you need to scroll down again and simply find and select backup and reset. From the following options, choose factory data reset, and this operation will clear all data on this phone, including your personal data such as text messages, call records, multimedia data such as photos, music and videos, and also system apps and installed apps, and also the customized settings. Confirm restore by tapping that button. And if you have the pattern or fingerprint, you need to enter the following protection. If you don't have any screen lock, you will not have to do anything. In my case, let me enter my pattern, tap OK again to confirm it, and the device right now is performing the hard reset. The phone is erasing all personal stuff, so let's just wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Alright, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done, and basically right now you can start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.